Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Dodge Viper ACR versus Corvette ZR1. Start by gathering dyno figures, lap times, and ergonomics to form a baseline for comparison. Focus on power delivery, chassis balance, and braking performance when evaluating each car. Take note of maintenance, rarity, and ownership costs as part of long-term value. Keep an open mind about subjective driving pleasure versus raw numbers. In this video, I will compare Dodge Viper ACR versus Corvette ZR1. Start by listing horsepower, torque, and weight numbers for a direct comparison of acceleration potential. Evaluate aerodynamic packages and downforce to see how each car maintains speed through corners. Consider gearing and transmission choices that affect real-world passing and lap times. Use objective data plus a seat-of-the-pants feel to reach a balanced conclusion. In this video, I will compare Dodge Viper ACR versus Corvette ZR1. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and snacks fresh during long track weekends. They save time, reduce spills, and free you to focus on the drive without sticky messes in the car. If you find this helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will compare Dodge Viper ACR versus Corvette ZR1. Start by testing steering responsiveness, brake feel, and mid-corner balance to judge driver engagement. Note how each car communicates grip limits and how predictable the chassis is at threshold. Assess suspension tuning versus road comfort to decide if daily driving is realistic. Factor in tire choices and setup flexibility for track adaptation when making your assessment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.